Welcome to September 2nd pre-market video. We saw on Tuesday, we saw that definitely the trend line I draw for Tuesday morning pre-market video, all these trend line have been broken actually on that chart on the spider. On if you know I didn't draw that one, but on the Dow as well went down, and on the QQQ. So this was something predictable. That resistance, there was a lack of push. We're just before Labor Day again, as I say. Now, if you look at the green trend line I draw, you can see that that would be probably a next area of support or action. So we will look at what's going on there in the next few days. But like I said, I'm on vacation right now, trading the slower pace, doing more kite surf than I'm doing trading. And it's probably going to be today, I'll see for tomorrow, but it's probably going to be the last newsletter of this week. And then on Tuesday the 9th, actually Tuesday the 9th, the 8th, I'll redo it. So I'll start doing it again. So in any case, let's look at some of the stock we've been active in the last few days. EWRC never broke to the upside this trend line that I draw yesterday, so we're okay. If you obviously one thing and I think nobody from the newsletter has it under this price, but I had an order on that under that gap, open actually the low of this day to just get it out. So this trade didn't work as much as I wanted, definitely, because I was not able to reload it on the 60-minute chart as we discussed. KNDR, yesterday it came back, that's perfect. It stabilized, and that's the range, I like to see it. If it can hold around there until Labor Day, while everything is getting shaked out, if you want, or shaken out, that would be great. So this other stock, TTEG, keeps making new high. That's perfect. We'll see, smaller volume, but no, that's fine. That's a good volume. Good enough. MDOR, this one we missed, but if any of you were a bit more aggressive intraday, this one was active yesterday and was a good trade to take intraday. I mean, if at this point it's kind of it's tough to get in these stock because they keep flying and it gap. That's the biggest problem we have with that. It gapped a lot, came back, and then if you see yesterday, and finish very strong in the day. Now UOMO, nothing to say about that one. It didn't keep moving up and it looked nice on Monday, sorry, but it didn't keep moving up. SPNG, Sponge Tech, is very, very nice holding pattern, and I like that. So that's great. We want to see a relaunch, and that will be at some point. If you haven't sold by the break of this, okay, it was still an early move, so it could have, you could have kept it. But I did in my case, in my own situation, I did, just because I'm away, so I can't really watch things and see the level 2 and make decisions sometime where I can give it a bit more room. And then I can act quickly when I decide not to give it more room, So, but now being away, I did get out. But you see, if it goes over these two tops, it could be another good place to get into Sponge Tech. So now this one, NVSR, just holding well. And again, we want to see this trend to break. We want to see it break to the upside. Still the same situation. BHL, nothing to say about that one. I don't, it's just staying the same range. NXPN, nothing else as well. Just basically it's holding, it's basing. That's what you want to see, and there's definitely accumulation right now. So some people that are, discouraged or basically that bought at higher prices and just are letting it go. and that's something you see a lot in penny stock. So you need to uh, know how to deal with it. I would be, if you're a long-term player on a stock like that, because you see a base, I would buy at this price, just accumulating. You don't bid it up too much, but you just buy, once in a while. And at some point, definitely something will happen because it's basing at 4 cents for about a month now. So somebody knows something and is trying to buy slowly. FLX, Filex. That one definitely a bit disappointing. Don't have the chart coming up. Okay, connection is a bit slow. Disappointing yesterday because it came back and no follow through on the big move of Friday. So, like I said, if you had a day where you have a big pop like this, and I'm just giving you some teaching because I hope nobody is left in this time. When you have a big pop like this, strong, almost doubling the stock, you can't be greedy with that. And if you break that low of this day, then after that it's finished. You need to get out. And I hope some of you, if you take it as a lesson, if you're still in. I hope not, but it's possible. But you definitely need to get more information as how to trade using lows and basically knowing when to get out of the stock. So I hope you enjoy on this. I wish you a great day, and we'll talk.